Hey everybody, this is Sinclair coming back at you. Here I am waiting for a parking spot outside of CK Auto Image. Today we're putting on the slotted rotors, and I'm just looking out there jockeying all these cars now. So please forgive me for hesitation, but we're putting on the slotted rotors today to help expel more gases and heat. So you give me a little bit more bite when I brake at higher temperatures. So we're going to be doing all the fluids, checking all the fluids, getting things all ready for the my race event or track event on June the 9th at Thunderbolt Raceway down in New Jersey Motorsport Park. So once I get the car inside, I will get back with you, ladies and gentlemen, on everything must do to get everything ready for track prep. All right, talk to everybody a little later. Yeah, look at these bad boys here, everybody. Here's my slotted rotors for the Camaro. Now, Gabe, are those fins curved or they're straight?
These are straight.
They are straight fins.
Man.
Yeah. They weigh a little less than what's on these? About the same, maybe?
They're pretty close.
Okay.
Pretty close.
All right, ladies and gents, that's the rotors that's going to be going on the Camaro all the way around. We have front and we have rear.
Stop Tech High Carbon.
Stop Tech High Carbon rotors. These are the bad boys that's going to go on the car to help expel more gases and heat, so I can have better bite at braking. So I'll get back with you when they're fully installed. Okay, everybody, the rears are going on the Camaro. So that's the rear rotors on the Camaro, if anybody can see. And I also have race pads, and the fronts are about to be installed on the other side. Here we go. They are on. They look good. We gently spun them and I felt a lot of air coming off these rotors. So hopefully they'll do well, but I won't know until I get a lot of heat in them and a lot of braking how well they really match up with these race pads. So there you have it. They're on the car, front and rear. So please subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think. And once again, peace, love, happiness. And I will talk to everybody real soon. And don't forget, God loves you, and so do I. Until next time.